and cheese. Mac and cheese is not a macaroni and cheese, but now I'll show you the ingredient is going with. On this plate I have prawns. On this plate I have bay leaves, rough cut carrot, celeries, brown onion, leek. On this plate I have mixed vegetables. I'm gonna blanch them. And this is macaroni, grated mozzarella cheese, unsalted butter, double cream, sea salt, ground black pepper, plain flour. Now I'm gonna add salt on my boiling water before I cook the macaroni pasta. Then I'll add a little bit of olive oil. But you can use any oil, sunflower, vegetable. But me, I prefer using olive oil. Now I can put my macaroni pasta to give it a boil. Now I'm gonna put my rough cut leek, celeries, carrot, brown onion, and bay leaf in the pot to make like stock. I'm gonna boil it with double cream, add a little bit of water. This is what I'm gonna use to make my cheese sauce. Now I'm gonna put my milk. Sorry, I said milk. My double cream. Then I'll use the same quantity of water with the same size of bottle and add to the milk. You can use milk or double cream, any of them. Now I'll leave it to boil. Now my macaroni is cooked, it's ready. I'm gonna drain it. Now I'll move this one here. My macaroni is ready. Now I'll leave it here to drain and get to cool down a bit. Now I'm gonna add sea salt on my stocking, but it's cooked with double cream or milk. But me, I use milk. Then add my ground black pepper. Then I have to mix it. Now I'll leave it to boil until all I have the flavors of carrot, brown onion, celery, leek, bay leaf. Then I'll sift it and make my cheese sauce. Now I'll leave it to boil and cook. My cooked milk or cream is ready. Now I'm going to sift it before I make the cheese sauce. Now I'm going to blanch my mixed vegetable for about 3 to 4 minutes. But make sure you add salt before you put in your mixed vegetable. Then I'll leave it for about 2-3 minutes. Then it's done. And now this is my stock I made from the cream, milk. That's onion, garlic. Onion, celeries, leek, carrots, and bay leaves. Now I'm going to put it here. And these are the ones that make the stock. I'm going to leave it cool before I bean it. That's my blanch mixed vegetable. Now I'm just waiting to do the sauce. Now I'm going to start making the sauce here. First, I'm going to melt the butter, unsalted butter. I put the butter to melt. Now I'm melting the butter. Before I add the stock I made in the milk. You can make with milk or cream. Butter is melted. I'm going to put the cream. Then followed by the grated mozzarella cheese. Then I have to stir it until everything is melted, both the cheese. Now I'm going to add my plain flour, little by little, bit by bit, and mix it. Now I'm going to add my prawns on the pasta, followed by the mixed vegetables. Mix them together. Now I'm going to add my cheese sauce. Then the same, mix it together. Now I'm going to put the mac and cheese here. That's why I'm going to use to bake it. Okay. Now I'm going to sprinkle mozzarella on top of it again. And for the cheese, it does not mean you should use only mozzarella. You can use any melted cheese. That's my mac and cheese. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. But make sure you preheat your oven before you put inside the oven. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for about, like I said, 15 to 20 minutes with a temperature of 150 degrees. My baked mac and cheese with mixed vegetable and prawns is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share the video with a friend, and please do not forget to subscribe also, and also to click on the notification bell so if I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And you can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.